In the heart of Herat's dry and sun-baked plateau, a city that for centuries has served as a bridge between knowledge, trade, and civilization, a new story is taking shape. A story of an industry that not only sets the wheels of the local economy in motion, but also carries a clear message to the world. Afghanistan can build, it can export, and it can claim its share in the future of global technology and production. Here, on the edge of one of Herat's industrial parks, the country's first car battery manufacturing factory has risen, a facility whose name today is being heard beyond national borders.
This project is more than an industrial complex. It is a symbol of transformation. For many years, Afghanistan was known primarily as a consumer of imported goods, but now this factory is writing a new narrative, one of production, value creation, and meaningful presence in international markets. The sound of machinery, the scent of metal and chemical compounds, and the steady rhythm of production lines all tell the story of an industry that breathes quietly, steadily, and continuously grows.
The factory operates with modern technology and semi-automated production lines. In every section, teams of skilled Afghan workers and technicians carefully inspect, mold, and assemble components. Lead plates, electrolyte solutions, and protective casings are aligned with precision and order, coming together to create a product that will serve as the beating heart of thousands of vehicles inside and outside the country. Every battery is the result of hours of labor, technical supervision, and rigorous testing.
What makes this project truly distinctive is not merely its domestic production, but its adherence to standards and ability to compete globally. After manufacturing, the batteries undergo multiple stages of thermal, durability, and capacity testing. Quality specialists document and evaluate each unit to ensure the final product can perform reliably across diverse climates, from the cold of the mountains to the heat of the desert. And thus, the path to export begins. Packages marked with the phrase "Made in Afghanistan" are sealed, containers are prepared, and shipments set out toward regional markets and beyond. Roads and trade corridors that once served only as channels for imports now carry domestically produced goods. Every shipment carries with it a message of hope and self-confidence. Behind this achievement lies a larger story, one of investment, trust, and belief in the potential of Afghanistan's workforce. Young graduates of technical and engineering fields who for years dreamed of finding specialized work inside their own country now play key roles in the laboratories, control rooms, and production lines of this factory. They are not only working, they are learning, gaining experience, and elevating their skills to international standards. This factory has also become a turning point for Herat's economy. Direct and indirect employment, the growth of supporting industries, expansion in transportation and technical services, and the strengthening of domestic supply chains are all part of its wide-ranging impact. Every job created means security for a family and hope for a more stable future. At the same time, the factory's presence in the export sector reshapes Afghanistan's position on the regional industrial map. A country that for years grappled with economic and security challenges is now sending a clear message to international partners through its competitive products. Afghanistan is ready to transform from consumer to producer. This achievement carries another significant dimension, the transfer of knowledge and technology. Technical cooperation with companies and specialists from abroad has enabled the production process to be built not only on manual labor, but on scientific and advanced industrial principles. Inside the factory, one can see a fusion of modern technology and dedicated human effort, a combination capable of laying the foundations for a broader industrial movement across the country.
Beyond its economic importance, the project holds powerful symbolic value. When the label "Made in Afghanistan" is seen across the factory floor, a sense of pride and identity is strengthened. This phrase is no longer just a slogan. It has become a tangible, exportable reality. Every battery that leaves the production line stands as testimony to the nation's capacity to build, to rise, and to move forward.
Yet, the road ahead is not free of challenges.
Securing raw materials, improving infrastructure, access to reliable energy, and competing in global markets are all obstacles that require sustained planning and support. But the strength of this story lies here. The project has proven that overcoming challenges is possible when determination and effective management are present.
Herat, long known as the historic gateway of trade between East and West, is reclaiming its role once again. But this time, goods are not only passing through, they are being produced in this very soil. The battery manufacturing factory is not merely an industrial building. It is the symbol of the beginning of a homegrown industrial revolution. In the end, this story is not limited to a single factory. It is the beginning of greater dreams. Dreams of electric technology production, automotive industries, renewable energy systems, and the expansion of a network of related sectors. If these steps continue wisely and persistently, Herat can become one of the major industrial hubs of the region, a city that not only carries a glorious past, but also awaits a promising future.
This factory is a narrative of faith in domestic capability, the story of a people who have chosen to step beyond the role of spectators and instead become active participants in the stage of global production. Here, on the production line of a simple battery, the flow of life, effort, and hope for a better tomorrow can be felt in every moment.